Hey guys, here's a logarithmic problem. Log of x base 2 plus log of x minus 6 base 2 is equal to 4. What is the value of x? So here's the solution. So for this, since the operation is addition, we can multiply x and x minus 6. So to write this is log of x times x minus 6 base 2 equals 4. Now let's distribute x here. So this is now log of x times x is x squared, x times negative 6 is negative 6x base 2 equals 4. And this is now a single logarithm. Now we are going to express it into exponential. So for log base 2 is equal to 4, we can write it as 2 to the power of 4. Then equals, the other side is x squared minus 6x. Now let's apply the commutative property. So we can write it as x squared minus 6x is equal to 2 to the power of 4. And then x squared minus 6x is equal to 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. Then let's take 16 to the other side. So this is now x squared minus 6x minus 16 is equal to 0. Now this is a degree of 2, which means that this is a quadratic equation. So to find the roots or the values of x, we can use the quadratic formula or the factoring. Right now, I'll be using the factoring method. So we have 2 parentheses equals 0. So for x squared, that means x times x. And then for 16, a 2 number that if you multiply, it will be equal to negative 16. So what is that numbers? So we have 8 times 2. And then if we add, it will be equal to negative 6. So what is that? So still that is 8 and 2. And the sign is different. So here is the negative and here is the positive. So that the answer will be negative 6. So we have x minus 8 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now let's equate both by 0. So this is x minus 8 is equal to 0. Other side is x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now let's solve for x. So here is x is equal to, let's take negative 8 to the other side. So this is positive 8. So this is x sum 1, which is equal to 8. Another side is x is equal to negative 2. Now for this, since it's negative 2, we cannot consider this as our root of x because it is negative. And our problem is logarithm. So this is not considered. So the only root here is 8. So x is equal to 8. That's all for today. For more exciting videos, like and subscribe to Finally Maths.